Hi, it's Kurt Clements again with Insider Show Homes. If you like our channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. At the same time, if you like the videos and you want to give them a thumbs up, we'd be more than happy if you were to do that. And of course, share them with your friends if you find them valuable as well. Wanted to talk to you today about how we help buyers without really talking to them on the phone yet. Of course, I like to talk to people on the phone all the time, but sometimes people just aren't ready to reach out to us yet. If that happens to be the case, and you want to check us out first before you reach out to us, please check out our buyer guide. It talks about the 8 mistakes you need to avoid if you're going to become a homeowner. Also teaches you how to buy a home for less, quicker than the average bear. At the same time, check out the Now What blog series. So it's a blog series that I wrote. It's 7 blogs that I wrote that helps people that want to become a homeowner but really have no idea about the process. If you go on top of our page, look for the blog, click on the blog, and then when you get to the blog page, there's about 3 o'clock in the middle of the page, there's a box that says Now What blog series. There's 7 blogs that I think you'll find very valuable. And of course, if you ever want to see what other people say about us or watch a video that they've given to us, go ahead and check out the testimonials as well. So again, it's Kurt Clements with Insider Show Homes. If you know of anybody looking to buy a home, sell a home, or invest in real estate, please don't hesitate to forward our information to them. We'd be more than happy to help them as well. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.